To reach the breathtaking Mapalana Waterfall, visitors should start their journey from Colombo, the capital of Sri Lanka, to Ratnapura, the world-famous city of gems surrounded by lush green landscapes and mist-covered hills. From Ratnapura, the adventure continues for approximately 22 kilometers, following the road through Gilimale. As you travel deeper into the countryside, the scenery becomes more spectacular. Passing through Gilimale, you will arrive at the peaceful village of Palabaddala, a place closely connected to the legendary Sripada pilgrimage route. From Palabaddala, take the road towards Mapalana, turning off near the wildlife office. Continue for around 2 kilometers until you reach Mapalana Village. The final part of the journey is on foot. A forest trail of roughly 500 meters leads you through the lush wilderness. Dropping an incredible 141 meters, Mapalana Ella is considered fourth highest waterfall in Sri Lanka, a wonderful cascade hidden deep within the forest beneath the Adams Peak mountain range. The waterfall is formed by the Elle Oya stream, which originates from Samanala. Its waters continue their journey until they eventually merge with the mighty Kalu Ganga River. Surrounded by dense monsoon forest, towering mountains and untouched wilderness, Mapalana waterfalls feels like a secret caved into the heart of Sri Lanka.
We came to Mapalana Waterfall. From behind you can see Mapalana Waterfall, which is the fourth highest waterfall in Sri Lanka, situated in Ratnapura district. It is 2.5 away from Palabaddala, and you can see as it is a rainy season, it carries a lot of water, and it shows the real beauty of Mapalana Waterfall. And only thing with this rainy weather, it's very slippery, and you have to be careful when you are coming here. And also you can park your vehicles down there without any problem. And it's a place for you to visit and come and enjoy. Thank you.